Bitcoin is back above $67,000. We just had the weekly close and things are looking very, very bullish in my opinion for Bitcoin and the rest of crypto. So let me do a quick update here, dive into the weekly chart and some higher time frame stuff and share with you what I think is likely to happen for the next week and maybe even the next couple of weeks. As always, if you like this content, I'd really appreciate it if you smash the like button and drop a like down below. It does help it get out to more people. Save the video, tag some people in the comments that you think could benefit from it. I put these out here for free, so if you could do that, I would really appreciate it. Thank you very much, guys. All right, so what we have here is we have the weekly chart of Bitcoin. $67,366 is where we're trading. We were already above $68,000. So you can see the last 2 weeks have been very strong bullish green weeks here. And we basically went from those lows, 54,000 to 68,000 in 2 weeks. That is how quickly it can go. And that's why I was posting publicly throughout when we got these dips. I was also sharing about things that were pointing towards this being a potential low and reversing back up. And one of the most obvious kind of indicators or signs there was the 4-hour bullish divergence on a Bitcoin. I'll put it here on the chart, overlay it as I'm talking about it. And that basically played out perfectly. We saw that bullish divergence. It didn't happen very often in the past. I think 2 other times in the last year or 2 years. And we got a massive upside from here. So basically what I see now is this was basically just kind of a bullish channel here. We swept the lows over here and now we are probably targeting the highs here at around 74,000, and I do believe that this will see continuation here also. So I think it's very possible actually we see this run up to 85,000, maybe even $100,000 before the end of the year, maybe even sooner than that. At this point in time there is a lot of bullish momentum behind this. Even on the 3-day chart, which I made a video about very recently, we have reclaimed the 3-day 50 moving average also, which is a very bullish sign. So in my opinion, we are bullish here. We continue higher. One thing that's important to note, we have some bullish catalysts also, which is Ethereum ETFs are to start trading tomorrow on the 23rd of July. So that could be bullish because it allows more inflows into ETH. And overall, we still have all these things going on politically. There's obviously the US elections and Joe Biden just dropped out of the elections apparently. So maybe Trump is going to win it, but then you have other candidates coming in. I'm not going to discuss the politics, but overall, it does seem like if Donald Trump were to become president again, that it would be bullish for crypto. He's going to speak at a Bitcoin conference on July 27th. So I think that's later this week. He's going to be talking there. Seems to be very pro crypto, and it just seems good for the markets. Technically, it's aligning. Fundamentally, it seems okay. We have this time past the halving, right? So if I were to show this again, look at this. What happened here? We had the halving in April of 2020, or I believe it was April or May of 2020, somewhere around here. Look at what happened after the halving, and this period that's specifically important is that it basically took a year from the halving to this market to peak. Now, we had our halving in April, so just about over here. So if the same thing is going to repeat and line up, who knows if it will, but it's possible. So far, the cycles have been repeating, and there hasn't been much difference over here. What if we're looking at something like this, where we just see a big run and a big continuation into maybe April of next year, March, April of next year, and maybe well over $100,000. Is that a possibility? I think it is. So far, so good. Everything looks bullish. We're above the 50-week moving average. We're above the 3-day 50 moving average. We've got the timing window post-halving behind us. So all of these things seem to be working in our favor, and the trend is your friend until the end. Right now, the trend is bullish, and we try and ride that trend up as much as possible, which means that if Bitcoin is going to $100,000 or more, we can expect Ethereum to set new all-time highs above $5,000, and we can expect many, many altcoins to still do massive multiples, 5x, 10x, 20x, 50x. There will be even 100x coins, whether it's meme coins or other altcoins or things that haven't even been launched yet. as long as this bull market continues and is bullish in this way, the opportunity is here and you need to pay attention to that. As you probably know, my VIP doors are reopened until August 28th. So for just a couple of weeks, I've opened those doors again. Come and join us. There's over 2,800 members. You get direct access to the community, to myself personally in Discord. I'm sharing chart updates in there every day. Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins. You get my monthly newsletter. There is so much included in VIP, and it is completely risk-free. There's a 60-day money-back guarantee. So come and sign up. Use the link in the description down below. Join us. See for yourself. You get to join. You go through all the courses. Nothing is held back. The updates, the newsletters. You get to join Discord. You get to interact with the community. If you're not happy, you can get a full refund within 60 days. But again, as I've been saying over and over and over, the way to make profits in these crypto markets is you need to buy low and you need to sell high. You need to get involved before everything pumps, because once it's all pumped, it's too late. And then you end up buying the top, just like you saw earlier this year. If you bought altcoins and meme coins in March when everything was getting euphoric, we saw a 50 to 80% drop on most coins. Don't wait for a situation like that. You want to buy when it's low, after it's dropped, like right now. That's why I'm reopening VIP. And then you want to hold it all the way up. And when everybody starts getting euphoric, that's when you want to cash out and realize your gains. So come and join me at VIP. See for yourself. I think it is an absolute game changer. Link in the description down below. Thanks for watching. Smash the like button, tag a friend in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.